Hello friends, let's start Kanji Masho 12 and 4 Kanjis part 3. Futoru Kanji. This kanji resembles the big kanji and it has one stroke inside, which means no movement. Thus, this kanji means fat, thick. Onyomi tai or ta. Aji kanji or Ajivau kanji. This kanji has mouth kanji and a radical which means not yet or still. So this kanji means that food is still in the mouth and is being tasted. So this kanji means taste, onyomi mi. Shina kanji. This kanji has 3 mouths. We have already seen that mouth is used to say taste. And here there are 3 mouths. So it means very good taste or refinement. But this kanji also means goods. Most common word in which it is used is shinamono, meaning goods. Onyomi of this kanji is hin or on. In kanji. This kanji has shell radical and a door radical. So it means man inside a closed space or group, which means a member. Or we can also say that the lower radical is money and upper radical is door. So a person who is being paid, which is employee. So it means member or employee. Mon kanji. We have already seen the gate kanji and sun within the gap between gates, which means gap or interval kanji. And ear kanji between the gate radical, which means here, kiku. This is one more kanji with gate radical. Here there is mouth radical between the gates. So this kanji focuses on mouth. And the meaning of this kanji is ask. So it also means problem. Most common word having this kanji is shitsumon, which means question. Mawaru kanji. This has 2 concentric squares, which means 2 or more rounds. So the meaning of this kanji is times. Example, ikkai, nikai, etc. Ikkai means once, nikai means twice, etc. Another meaning of this kanji is round. Zu or to kanji. This resembles the ward or district kanji, but it is completely covered and has 2 strokes. So this kanji means the district or land having been drawn on paper. So this kanji means map or it also means plan. Chi or ji kanji. This has mud radical and say or the world radical. So it means ground or earth. Most common words which use this kanji are chi-iki, meaning region, or chikyu, which means earth. Onaji kanji. This kanji has a radical which means one round and a stroke within it and mouth radical. So it means whatever was said repeated another round. So the actual meaning of this kanji is same or agree. Onaji means same and it is a very common word. But another most common word is this onaji kanji with e kanji, which means idea. So the word is doi. It means agree. Jo, cho or ba kanji. This has the mud radical which, as we have already seen, is used to say land in many kanjis. The next radical means easy or more relevantly here, simple. So this kanji means simply land. Most common word having this kanji is basho. Basho means place. Koe kanji. Here the upper radical is the samurai or the gentleman kanji and the lower radical is an uncommon one. But if we see the elephant radical, we can infer that the two rectangles indicate face and a stroke is coming out of the face radical. So this kanji means something coming out of the face of a gentleman, that is voice. Onyomi is sei or show. Bai or uru kanji. We have already seen this in detail in the video Kanji Masho 9. Natsu or summer kanji. We have already seen the mata radical in the kanji of winter fuyu, and we have seen that it means something that passes again and again every year, that is a season. Summer is another season, so it also has the same radical. But we don't know exactly what the upper radical means. It has an eye radical and a lid radical. So maybe a season spent sleeping, because in summer one can't do much work. Anyway, we can use that description to remember the radicals of this kanji. Yube or evening kanji. We have seen this kanji in detail in Kanji Masho 7. This evening kanji is most commonly used in the word yugata, also meaning evening. Yoru, night kanji. One of the radicals in this kanji is the yube, evening kanji. But it has a stroke inside and there is a man radical and a lid radical. So together we can conclude that a time after evening when man spends time inside the house. So it is night time. Yoru means night. Onyomi ya. Do kanji. This has mud radical which is used to say land and a door on top of it. So it means a land with a door, that is a building. The lines on top, as we have seen, means developed. Here we can think that it means a beautiful building. So it is a public hall used for functions. Most common word which uses this kanji is shokudo, which means dining hall. Shoku is food or eat kanji and hall kanji make the word shokudo. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.